Gold day, everyone. Welcome, welcome lahat dito sa Trading Grimoire. Jinfrix here. So I'm excited na ako dito sa session na to because I will be teaching you the very, very concepts na ginagamit natin sa pagtitrade. So I call it the Smart Jinfrix concepts. So in this session, you will learn one strategy, the breakout play natin. Okay, ano ba yung breakout play? Yun yung SGC na tinatawag natin, no? Sa Telegram, sa ating YouTube, sa pag nag-execute tayo, sinasabi natin, this is the SGC setup. So SGC is the breakout play. So napakadali lang nito. I think you will find it very simple. Kaya pag nag-execute kayo, I guess ngayong linggo na to, you can execute one SGC siguro na setup. I don't know. Maybe. Just ano lang. Aralin nyo siya and kung hindi nyo masyado makuha, ay ulit-ulitin nyo lang tong video na to. Okay? So, let's start. So, SGC overview. Ano ba yan? Smart Gene Fix Concept overview or the breakout play overview. The trading style is an intraday breakout strategy. Ibig sabihin nun, it's an intraday trade, meaning matatapos sa araw na to, sa time na to, no, sa ano, hindi ka maabutan ng bukas unless you have a runner. Okay? So the time frame to use is 30-minute and the 4-hour time frame. Then the session, the London and New York. So yung target mo is 30 to 50 or 50 to 150 pip moves. Or kung sa gold yan, that's around $3 to $5 na change or $5 to $15 change of price. Okay? Then the timing. So kailan mo siya gagamitin? So market open during the London Open, New York Open. Then the market overlap, yung London, New York na overlap. Then pwede mo siyang gamitin sa news like NFP, CPI, and FOMC. We have videos sa YouTube nito, yung mga live trades natin using the SGC. You can refer it or meron din dyan sa classroom natin, may mga SGC na mga videos nilagay ko dyan. So, dadagdagan ko na lang yan. So, you can watch it. At least makakita kayo ng mga variations ng SGC setup. So, kung okay na tayo dito sa SGC overview, you can screenshot it para at least ano yan sa checklist nyo yung paggawa ng yung SGC. So, kailangan alam nyo yung kung uh, ano yung description ng title ng strategy nyo. Right? So let's go to the chart. Diretso na tayo sa chart. The Smart Gene Fix concept, gagamitin natin dito. Sample, you can see here, sample ng SAO USD na price chart. Okay, first is, ang pinaka-importante natin is the support and resistance zone. So I guess as of now, master nyo na si support and resistance zone. Diba? And you can create your zone. Pagka naka-create na kayo ng zone nyo, you can label the Okay. Your resistance and your support. And then, meron ka ng range na zone na to. So, after that, you should look at the range, possible range, di ba? Kailangan natin ng range. So, makita natin dito, meron tayong cluster of candles here. Okay, dito sa taas ito. Yan. Meron tayong cluster of candles here. So, before you execute the SGC, you need to have a range. So, ito na yung price traffic to the left. Okay, ito yung pinaka-traffic mo to the left. When your support and resistance here, oh, yan. So, yung price traffic mo to the left, yun yung magiging range mo. Okay? So, this is your movement range, your possible movement range. Dapat ito yung makukuha mo, yung breakout no setup, no SGC breakpoint setup. Ito yung kukunin mo para makuha mo itong movement range na to. Okay? So, ano natin, tanggalin natin yung ano, himay-himayin natin siya. So, tingnan natin yung bullish breakout na anatomy. So, this is your bullish breakout anatomy. So, lagi nyo itong tandaan, screenshot nyo. Kasi napaka-importante nito. So, kailangan meron kang volume push, breaking the resistance. So, alam natin na ito yung resistance natin dito. This is your resistance here. Resistance natin to, resistance zone natin. So, kailangan meron kang volume push. Okay? Ito yung volume push na candle. So, pinush niya palabas sa resistance. And then, nag-pull back. Meron kang pull back candle. Okay? So, nag-volume push, nag-pull back candle. And then, yung entry point mo is when the pullback candle body breaks. Okay? Yan. Pag na-break yan, at tapos nag-bullish, dyan yung magiging entry mo. So, that is the bullish breakout anatomy. Okay? Tandaan nyo yung ano na yan, candle formation. May volume push, tapos mag-pullback, and then doon ka na mag-entry upon breaking the pullback candle. So, kailan ba nangyayari yung volume push? Alam na natin yan sa temporal precision, no? During the London Open, New York Open, overlaps, or during the session mismo ng mga London or New York. Okay? And then during the news, kung may news na anticipation, okay? Especially yung mga favorite natin, CPI, FOMC, NFP, ayun, yun yung mga volume push. Okay? So, lagi nyo tandaan itong candle formation na to. This is the SGC candle formation. This is the bullish breakout na anatomy. Okay? So, i-apply natin siya and yung sa chart. So, you label your support and resistance zone. So the trigger would be price consolidates in the resistance zone. So makita natin may presyo nagko-consolidate sa resistance zone. Hindi pa siya nabe-break because hindi pa umabot like sa mga Asian, pre-London, ayun. Tapos pagka London, doon na siya magbe-break out. 'Di ba? Ganun kadalasan, 'di ba? So yun yung kukunin natin. So lagi tandaan ito yung mga triggers nyo or ito yung checklist nyo for the SGC breakout strategy. Number one, price consolidates in the resistance zone. Next, the volume push breaking the resistance. Okay, yun yung volume push. Then wait for pullback candle. Bearish candle should not break the consolidation range. High win rate if the candle has no wick. So laging tandaan, wait for the pullback. Bearish candle should not break the consolidation range. So, asan yung consolidation range? Yung range na yan, yung nakabilog na yellow, kailangan hindi ma-break ni pullback candle for a valid SGC setup. Okay? So, the strong support created during high volume hours. So, yan yung magiging strong support mo. Kasi yan yung break ng London and then nagiging strong support na yan. Okay? So here, ito yung strong support. So meron ka ng strong support pag yung sunod na candle ng pullback is nag-green. So the entry should be here. Okay? So upon breaking that one. So buy when this level breaks. Okay? And then, yun na yung movement mo. O, kailangan mong tumingin sa left hand side para makita mo yung movement. Yung stop loss mo naman dito mo lalagay sa below nung nag-consolidate na prices. Okay? And then check left traffic for valid range. So yun yung pinakita natin sa pinakaunang slide. Kailangan may range ka. Kasi kung maraming kandila sa left hand side, di mo makukuha yun. Okay? So lagi tandaan ganito yung anatomy niya. So balik natin dun sa sa para makita natin yung range. Okay. So just like here, yung natin, yan, ito yung range. So, kailangan makita mo munang may clear traffic siya. No, ito, clear traffic dito. Para yan yung magiging movement range mo. Okay? So, you should have a clear traffic before executing an SGC setup. Okay? So, before natin, kailangan may clear traffic ka dito sa gilid. Okay? So, before the consolidation and the breakout para may valid range ka. Right? So, ganun lang. So, screenshot nyo to. Um, tingnan nyo yung sa nito, sa mga triggers sa checklist niya. And then, make sure na meron kayong nitong 5 na to. And that would be your assignment for this week. Magpo-post na lang ako sa classroom natin. Okay? So, lagi nyo tandaan yung setup na to ha. Yan, meron kang consolidation here, consolidate ang prices sa resistance, nag-break during the high volume, no? High volume, price consolidate, volume push, breaking the resistance, pullback candle, okay? Creating a support during high volume. Okay, ito na yung magiging support mo. Then the next candle, na-break niya ito. So, entry candle na yan. Buy when this level breaks. Then, checking the left-hand side for the valid range. Ayun. So, that would be your SGC setup. This is the anatomy. Laging tandaan, volume push, pullback, entry. Okay? So, high probability wins. So, tingnan natin ano yung mga high probability. Overall trend is bullish. So, tingnan nyo yun sa higher time frames or sa daily time frame. If the if the if the price is trending sa bullish, so malaki yung chance mo. Example, bullish si gold ngayon, tapos nag-SGC na ganito. That was a high probability win. Next, pullback candle has no wick. So, especially ganito, maliliit na wick or especially walang wick. No, wala siyang wick, that's a high probability win. Pullback candle does not break the consolidation area. Kagaya nito, hindi siya nag-break doon sa nag-consolidate. Example dito yung consolidation, hindi na break yan. So that's a high probability win. Higher time frame trend is bullish. Then upcoming economic news release during New York session. So may anticipation yung mga tao. May anticipation ng economic release. So ano yung mga high probability win setup ng SGC breakout strategy na to. So tandaan nyo lang yan. The next variation. So tingnan natin yung mga variations nung Smart Gene Freaks concept or the SGC. So kita natin meron tayong support resistance zone. This is another chart. This is another price chart. Okay, hindi lang siya one candle, 'di ba? So naging dalawa pa. So then created a support but hindi niya na-break yung consolidation. Okay? Kuha natin, hindi na-break yung consolidation. Dito. Yung magiging entry mo is yung break naman dito. Hindi one candle. So, yan. Isa yan sa mga variations ng SGC. Hindi pwedeng, yung ganun-ganun lang talaga, no? Yung candle na yun. So, there are variations to the SGC levels. Kasi sa real life scenario, hindi naman laging ganun na mangyayari. 'Di ba? But the concept is there. No? At least alam yung concept. May consolidation, volume push, consolidation, volume push, pullback, and then break. Okay? So, ito, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung mga variations ng SGC para, ano, para masana yung mga mata nyo. Like, yan, masana yung mga mata natin na tumingin ng iba-ibang breakout na play. Okay, this is one type of variation. Okay, makita natin dito, this is the entry point. No? Entry point when candle pullback body breaks. Okay, SGC pa rin yan. Okay, so another, this one, kita natin yung, ayan. So ito yung breakout, diba? So ito yun. So ito yung consolidate dyan, then break, pullback, and then yun, umangat. Okay, so ito yun. Yan. Another variation is, ito naman. So you have resistance here, and nag-consolidate, then nag-break, pero wala na siyang pullback. Here, kita natin yung consolidation, lumagpas, bumalik, hindi na break yung consolidation. 'Di ba? Ito yung hindi na break yung consolidation. Okay? Meron kang meron kang breakout na nangyari, mini breakout during high volume time. Yan. Pero yung pullback candle niya, bumalik, but hindi siya nag-break sa consolidation. So dito yung consolidation. So hindi niya na-break. So kung dito yan, yung presyo na yan, so it's not a valid SGC anymore. Okay? So kahit na bumalik siya dun sa taas, it's not a valid setup for us. Pero ito, since hindi niya na-break yung consolidation, it is still a valid SGC na price variation. Okay? So, yan, resistance. So, ito yung magiging entry mo when a pullback candle body breaks. So, nag-pullback siya, then malik dyan, hindi niya na na-break tong consolidation area na dito. Then, pagbalik niya dyan, you can enter a buy there. So, yun yung mga bullish breakout. How about the bearish? So, doon tayo sa bearish. Bearish naman tayo. So, the bearish breakdown anatomy is here. Yan, ito yung forma. May volume ka pushing or breaking a support. Yan, meron kang pullback candle, entry point. Yan. Baliktad lang din siya ng bullish, but the same concept. Push, pullback, then breakout. Okay. So, ito yung sample chart natin. Okay, ano yung mga triggers dito? So, the triggers will be the price consolidate in the support zone. Kabaliktaran lang din ng ating bullish setup. Okay? So, meron kang volume push. Yan. Wait for pullback. And then, entry candle. No? Yan, the high during volume time. Yung entry candle mo is here sa baba. Okay, sell when this level breaks. Okay. Pare-pares lang din. Check the left hand for valid range. Kabaliktaran lang, parang in-invert mo lang yung ano, in-invert mo lang yung bullish setup. Okay, so variations. So ito yung mga variations like this one. Okay, entry point when pullback candle breaks. Ayan. So ito yung mga variations nung ano mo, nung breakdown or bearish breakdowns. Okay. So you have a consolidation, tapos volume push, mga parang then pullback, then balik na naman. Alright, so ganun yon. So pagkabaliktaran lang siya ng SGC. Okay, another variation is ganito. Okay, yun. Same lang naman yun kanina. So, ayun, sa pa. Ayan, mga ganyan. So, entry point. Another one. So, entry point when the candle body breaks. Okay, yun yung ating SGC setup. Okay, from yung sa bearish at saka sa bullish. So, lagi nyo lang tandaan, properly label your support and resistance sa zone. Okay, pag na-label nyo na yun, check the left-hand side for traffic for a possible movement range and then execute yung ating SGC breakpoint setup or yung sa bearish setup. So, yun lang yun. No? So, napaka-simple. No other, wala kang mga indicators na gamitin. Just pure price, movement. Bantayan mo lang. And then, make sure to time it properly. So, timing is one of the factors here. So, kailangan mo siya i-timing. So, hindi ibig sabihin na may nakita ka ganyan na candle formation, mag-execute ka na. You should consider first anong time frame ka, anong session ka ngayon, is there a volume in the market, is there news in the market, so lagi niyo tandaan yon. So, yun, may mga checklist tayo, mga triggers niya, and then the proper time kung kailan nyo siya i-apply. Kaya sana may nakuha kayo dito sa session na to. So the next session would be the Soggy King or the bounce play specialist. So next week naman, ito naman si Soggy King yung titingnan natin in the bounce play natin. Right? So for now, um, enjoy your week. Sana ma-apply nyo yung mga learnings natin sa SGC para um, road to na tayo, profitability sa ating mga trades. So assignment will be posted this week. Pagka natapos kong upload ng video na to, then maybe around 1 or 2 days, Magbibigay na naman ako assignment so that you can have or practice it on real scenarios. Okay? So, good luck everyone and continue surpassing your limits.